Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today we're focusing on vertical gardening for herbs and spices. Learn how to create flavorful walls in small spaces with tips on managing light, water, and nutrients for these specific plants. Let's get started. Vertical gardening is perfect for small spaces. It allows you to grow more plants in a limited area and adds a beautiful green touch to your walls. Choose herbs and spices like basil, mint, thyme, rosemary, cilantro, parsley, chives, and oregano for your vertical garden. Set up your vertical garden. First, choose a sunny spot with at least 6 hours of sunlight. Second, use a trellis, wall planters, or vertical garden kits. Third, use well-draining containers with quality potting mix. Ensure your garden gets ample sunlight. Use grow lights if needed. Let's dive into some essential watering tips for your vertical garden. First, always check the soil moisture. It's important to keep the soil slightly moist. When it comes to your watering technique, always water at the base of the plants. This helps prevent fungal diseases that can thrive when foliage remains wet. And don't forget about drainage. Ensuring good drainage is crucial to prevent waterlogging, which can harm your plants. Now, let's talk about how to nourish your plants. One key tip is to use organic fertilizer. Feed your plants every 4 to 6 weeks to support their growth. Improving soil fertility is also essential, and adding compost is a great way to do this. Lastly, consider mulching. A thin layer of mulch can help retain moisture in the soil, keeping your plants happy and hydrated. Pruning and harvesting are vital for maintaining a healthy vertical garden. Make sure to prune regularly. Trimming the tops of your plants will encourage them to branch out. And when it comes to harvesting, the best time is in the morning when the flavors are at their peak. This ensures you get the most delicious and aromatic herbs and spices from your garden. Vertical gardening for herbs and spices is a fantastic way to maximize your space and enjoy fresh flavors all year round. Follow these tips to create a productive and vibrant garden. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!